Hi guys, today I am back with another video. Today we got one interesting dataset, that is a fish dataset. I got this dataset from Kaggle. You can check this out following this link. So this fish market dataset contains information about common fish species in market sales. The dataset includes fish species, weight, length, height and width. So basically from the size we are going to predict what kind of a fish it is. First I have imported the necessary modules like pandas, numpy, matplotlib and seaborn. Next thing, I loaded the dataset in fish underscore data frame, that is a pandas data frame. Next thing that I did is checking out the data, like how it looks. Just first two rows, then I check the info. Basically the species column is labeled, that is why we are going to use classification here, and rest other columns are, the independent columns are float 64. As you can see, all are numeric data here. So we are going to predict the species based on weight, length 1, length 2, length 3, height and width. First thing, very interesting to see the kind of trend here. Here I have used hue equal to fish data species, means every fish species I have tried to visualize with a different color here. Height versus weight plot, and we are trying to plot all the species with different colors. So from the plot itself, I just thought it will be a great idea to use KNN. Let's see how it goes. So first thing that I did is splitting the data for training and testing, just using train test split from model selection. Then I did a feature scaling with standard scalar. Next thing that I did is model evaluation. Just for model evaluation, I have created a common function and I have imported all the necessary modules, that is accuracy score, classification report and confusion matrix. So these are the things I am going to use to evaluate my model. First thing that I used is decision tree classification. So here, as you can see, first thing, accuracy, confusion matrix. This is good to see that this diagonal one are the correct ones, like from this species, and it is truly from this species and it is predicted in the same species as well. But all the values that are not in the diagonal space are wrongly predicted, such as this one or this one. Okay. Next thing that I did is for random forest, got 78% accuracy. Again, few inaccurate predictions here and there. Here is a 3, here is a 1, again another 1, it's a 2. Looks like this species, the model couldn't get even a single data right. All are incorrect. Last but not the least, I have used k nearest neighbors classifiers. So this is KNN. For KNN classifier, it is very important to first understand what k value we should use. So basically I tried to plot this first just to understand how the error rate is changing depending on k. As you can see, the minimum error we are getting at k equal to 5, then again it is increasing, it is kind of stable around this range, again it is drastically increasing, again it is stable at this rate, range like that. So we are going to use k equal to 5, and with Canon we got 87%, 87.5% accuracy. Not bad. I think we can do even better, but for this classification model I didn't do much farther than this. So that's it. It's just a basic data set. A few basic things I just checked. What are the things went wrong, like the whitefish. Whitefish has been predicted as perch, so for some reason. Perch has been predicted as roots. Some of the misclassified outputs here. So that's it for this classification model. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.